Hello, good morning, friends. Let us start our topic, that is Introduction to Integers. As you all know about the numbers and maths, there are different types of numbers: whole numbers, natural numbers. Natural numbers are also known as counting numbers. How can we say counting numbers? The numbers by which we start counting. Suppose you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Counting or natural numbers. But when 0 is included in these numbers, these are called whole numbers. So in this way, the numbers differentiate between each other. Now, if I represent these numbers on a number line, suppose this is a line representing numbers. 0 is called its origin, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on the same distance. When the numbers are represented by same distance on a line, that is called number line of numbers. Now these are the whole numbers that are represented. Now why there was a need of integers if we were having the numbers with us? We will discuss that in our today's video. Firstly, we will take some scenario. We will take some examples of scenarios why there was a need of another numbers except 0 and the numbers counting numbers, 0 and counting numbers. So now first scenario, if I could assume, suppose there is a ground floor of a building. I suppose it is a ground floor. Ground floor is taken as the position of 0 in the numbers. This is the ground floor of a building. Now, there are two persons, Mohan and Sohan. One has to buy the stuffs according to the home. So, he has to go to the first floor, and second one has to buy some skincare products and he has to go to the basement. To describe their position, we use the numbers, like ground floor is at the 0, 1. So now we will see if this person is going upward, we will see how many steps he is going upward. Suppose there are 10 stairs, so we can write it plus 10 or 10 to the upper side, 10 stairs upwards. If the other person is coming down, suppose there are 9 stairs to the down. So how can we define such numbers that 9 to the down? Opposite numbers. Similarly, if it is up, something is going upward and other thing is coming down, so it means those are opposite to each other. So addition and subtraction are opposite to each other. Similarly, right and left are opposite to each other. So here also, that is why there was a need of opposite numbers to define the opposite directions that people are using. As it is taken as a plus 10 when it is going upward, so it will be taken as minus 9 when it is coming downwards. So how we will be representing such numbers and how integers are taken, that I'll discuss. Suppose we are discussing one more situation here, one more example we are taking here. First, this was the first example. Second example we can take, this is a mark here. One person is moving this side 10 kilometers, suppose to the east, and other person is moving to the west by suppose 15 kilometers. Now if they both started from this position, if they are starting from here, we will take it as 0. One person is going to other direction, other is going to opposite direction. It means both are traveling distances but in opposite directions. So how we will represent their directions is, when the person is going to the right side, it will be taken as positive. When the person is going to the left side, it will be taken as negative, opposite to each other. From this scenario, we will take our number line as it was origin 0, 1 here. So opposite number to the same, minus 1 will be here. If 2 is here, opposite to the same, minus 2 will be here. 3 is here, then minus 3 will also be here. 4 is here, then minus 4 will also be here. Similarly, the numbers may increase. But the thing is, as you move from right to the left side, the value of number decreases. It means 1 0 is smaller than 1, minus 1 is smaller than 0, minus 2 is smaller than minus 1, minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. And also to the right side, the numbers kept on, value of numbers kept on increasing. So this the combination of these all, combination of 0, combination of positive numbers, combination of negative numbers, these are called integers. And integers were required in various different fields. I must tell you, there are so many fields where integers were required. Let us discuss now. Firstly, I'll tell you in the graphical form also, like suppose this is a region. When you are moving to the right side or you are moving to the upper side, the numbers will be taken with the positive sign. Another one, when there is a 0, you are moving to the downside and you are moving to the left side, the numbers are taken negative. In this way, it will be easy for you to remember how to put the sign of integers. Now we will discuss some of the situations related to it. Before discussing situations, I must talk about one other thing, that is absolute value of integers. Absolute value means only discussing about value, nothing else. No any position, no any direction, nothing. Just discussing about the value, the numbers that we are using with integers. Like if I am writing, there are some of the integers examples I am taking. Suppose I am writing minus 10, I am writing plus 5, I am writing minus 99, I am writing plus 1000, I'm writing minus 1500. These are the some of the examples of integers. Now, what does the value absolute value mean? Absolute value is just giving us that how many steps are there, how much money is there, or whatever the numbers are about, how much thing is there, without representing was it taken back, was it going ahead, was there a profit, was there a loss, nothing like that, only numbers. So what do we do to take the absolute value of integers? We put two bars, it is represented in this way, two bars, these are called absolute value sign. Put two bars around the number, and these two bars, what does these two bars do to the number? They take out the signs, it will only remain 10. Plus 5 will be written as only 5, minus 99 will be written as 99, plus 1000 is only 1000, minus 1500 is 1500. This is the absolute value of integers, and we require them in some of the situations, not everywhere. Now we will move to the situations where usually integers are used. So now some of the such situations, we will go with the banking one first. If you look at the banking statements, it represents numbers in the form of plus and minus. So how does those are represented? Those are represented in a form, suppose you are depositing something, depositing is adding to it. Depositing something, it will be taken as the number of positive numbers, means positive integers, or integers, positive integers, or positive numbers. Then if you are withdrawing something, withdraw means nikalwana. If you are withdrawing something, it will be taken as negative number. So if negative number is there, it means that amount is subtracted. If positive number is there, it means that amount is added. For example, I have withdrawn rupees 5000. So my statement will represent it as minus 5000. I have deposited 2000. It will be represented as 2000. They will not calculate all of the things, but they will write down numbers in such a way, and then calculations are made a month later. Now we will discuss some other situations. I'll write down here, and then you will think and answer me. I'll write down the answers here also, but you can answer in your mind that what situations will be represented. As I have discussed about ground level, directions, banking, there are many things where these are used. I'll start with some of the situations. First thing, if I will write down, climbing up 10 steps. Think of side by side, positive or negative. Then I'll write down loss of rupees 90. Third one, yes, temperature can also be there. 9 degrees Celsius below 0. Then fourth one, increase of, suppose you have got your paper rechecked, there is an increase of 15 marks. Then the situation, a simple situation from your life, losing weight of 3 kilogram. Now tell me, which one are the positives and which one are the negatives? Climbing up 10 steps. Climbing up 10 steps, it will be a positive 10. Loss of rupees 90, there is a loss, it is going to the left side, so it is minus 90. 9 degrees Celsius below 0. When I was explaining number line, I told you that from a number line, when 0 is there, the numbers kept on decreasing to the left side. So it means it is below 0, it will be minus 9 degree Celsius. Increase of 15 marks, obviously plus 15 will be there. Losing weight of 3 kg, it will be minus 3 kilogram. So in this way, we have discussed about integers, their use, the situations where we use them. Now subscribe to discuss and learn how we perform functions on integers, addition, subtraction, how to solve integers. I'll discuss in my next videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.